It's a pretty long and complicated expense, which you can read all the details on the CRA site, but I'm going to give you an overview on how this expense works. If you are a qualified individual or you're making a claim for a qualified individual, you may be able to deduct the expenses for renovation. Now, a qualified individual is a person that is either approved for the disability tax credit or they're over age 65. Now, just because you're over 65 doesn't mean that you can deduct renovations on your home. The whole purpose for the renovation must be that this qualified person, the renovations have to be done in order to help this person be mobile within the dwelling or to have give them access to the dwelling. The other purpose for the renovation might just be to decrease the harm of the qualified individual within the dwelling. So if you are over 65 and need to renovate your house because you are a bit immobile or it's to help decrease the risk within the home and you're over age 65 or qualify for the disability tax credit, read the details of this expense and you may be able to deduct a renovation that you've done on your home.